everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Special Cleansing Gel. One of the most important steps in your skincare routine is cleansing. Washing away the day's grime and removing makeup are both essential for healthy skin and for other products that follow. Our Special Cleansing Gel is soap and fragrance free. It's great for anyone who loves to use a gel or a foam cleanser. It cleanses the skin without leaving your skin feeling dry and tight, which some cleansers can. It'll also gently remove any excess oil and impurities on the skin. Its key ingredients are balm mint and lavender, which will help soothe and calm your skin. So it's going to leave your skin feeling beautifully fresh and clean. The Special Cleansing Gel is great for all skin conditions, including sensitive skin, because it has the calming and soothing extracts. So your Special Cleansing Gel would be used day and night. So you would pour a small amount into the palm of your hand and add water, making it bubbly or foamy. You would apply to your face, massage into the skin and remove with warm water or your facial cloth. And just a little tip, by adding water to your cleanser will last you a lot longer. Your Special Cleansing Gel works great with your pre-cleanse balm, which will make sure that you're taking away any impurities and makeup on your skin. So if you would like to purchase the Special Cleansing Gel or receive a free sample, please go to our website skinmart.com.au or follow the link below.